dear, I think I've got the hiccups. Oh, there you are. We were just wondering if we could play with your bouncy ball. Sure. It's in my... Sorry, where is it? It's in my... 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 We're never going to find out where it is while he's hiccuping. It's in my... It's in my... How do you get rid of hiccups? Oh, I know. You have to make them jump with fright. Okay, here goes. It's in my... It's in my... It's in... Boo! It's in my... It's in my... Oh dear, it didn't work. Let's call in an expert at making people jump. Oh, signal's not great. Hello? Hello? Is someone there? Yes, hi Vampire Funling. We need you to make this Funling jump. Sorry, I can't hear you. Make Chef Funling jump? Hello? Oh dear, I hope he heard that. I wonder why I have to make Chef Funling jump. Oh well, here goes. Aha, Chef Funling's tea room. I'll turn into a bat. Ooh, what a lovely cake that was. One of my best. And just one single slice left. I'll enjoy eating this. Boo! Ah! You made me drop my cake. Surprise! I'm going to get you. Run! Ah! Ah! Get back here! Ah! Ooh, look! A Funling has the hiccups. I know what to do. Boom! Huh? You made me jump. Yes, it worked. Now, where's your bouncy ball? It's in my... It's in my... Oh... Vampire Funling! Angry Chef Funling! Ah! That'll probably work. Why did you make me jump? Sorry, I was meant to make the Funling jump. He needs to get rid of his hiccups. Oh, well I know what you need to do. You need to drink a glass of water upside down. Here. Okay, if you think it'll work. I'll lean on this carriage. Did it work? Oh well, worth a try. You can come down now. I can't. My foot's stuck in a window.
Out of my way! Express coming through!
Uh-oh. Help me! Oh dear.
Has Vampire Funling gone? I think the coast is clear. Huh?
I think my hiccups have gone. There you are, Funling.
Where? Vampire Funling!
Can you now tell us where your bouncy ball is? It's in my... pocket. This a whole time? Silly Funling.